Welcome back to my channel. Please like the video, subscribe, share. I appreciate your support. Today I will show you how this country is very clean. I think it is the cleanest country in the whole world. Whether you go where you cannot see any littering around, there's no paper, white, anything. Like if you see now, its roads, they are very clear, very clean. There's no paperwork. Beans are around. We have the chairs under the shade like this. You see we have beans here. Green bean, garbage bin is for the recycling, and what is placed there is paper. Blue, you place there cans, and this orange one, I don't know, orange or whatever, this one you put plastic bottles inside. Okay, there I show you only the plastic bottle should be inside. This one we only have. So every person is responsible of the cleanliness of these countries. If I show even streets or the corridors, this is just a corridor. It's very clean, very clear. We have more bins in front here, like you see. This is for the general waste. The gray is for the general waste. We have for the recycling garbage bins, and this one blue still paper, green for the cans or the bottles, and black is for the general waste. This gray one I think still general waste, and also food items, anything. So we have more in front here. This is the cleanest country I have ever been.